guys, welcome to Agari and me, Honey being Agari, and you guys being the me part because you guys are joining me on this journey called life. And for today in life, I'm making a mess. So I am currently 34 weeks pregnant. That means the time is ticking. So my husband and I, what we're doing right now is just thinking about how we're gonna position everything to fit us, the baby, and our office, because we do have an office here in our room. So I'll go ahead and give you guys a tour of what it looks like right now. Again, there's a big mess. Excuse the mess. As you guys can see, this is our bed. It's literally inside of a closet, and it has books and stuff. You guys can tell it's like literally just a grown-up's room. This is actually supposed to be the baby's area with the crib. I'm gonna try to put these things away. So this is what I mean by it's a living area, because it's like we have our bed, our library, our little brainstormings. We also have here our living room. I mean, we have access to the living room, but still I like to sit here. This is gonna be like the baby's section, like changing area. We're gonna be taking off these blinds because they do hold a lot of dirt. We're gonna change up everything on the windows. But this is our office. This is the before of everything. I have to get ready for the baby. I just had my baby shower this weekend, actually. Oh my gosh, look at me. So I got a couple of gifts, and even then, like, people that didn't come to the baby shower are still dropping off gifts. So I'm having to organize. So let me just show you guys what I'm talking about. Oh, this is the stroller. I didn't even think about where we were gonna put the stroller. We got this going on over here. My little station over here. If you guys want to see any of that, I'll probably end up showing you guys once it's all organized. So now all I have to do is put away everything. We need to get the crib, which we are planning on getting. We weren't thinking about getting a crib quite yet, but I changed my mind. I think it would look so cute just setting it up already. Yeah, I just need to put away a lot of diapers and emptying out boxes because they take up a lot more room than just the little bags of diapers. So that's what I'm going to be doing right now. It'll probably take me, I don't know, a couple weeks. Maybe 2 weeks until we actually get the room fully set up, and then I'll be showing you guys the final reveal. Not only do I have to do that, I still need to wash this baby clothes. This from the baby shower, and then this is all organized and washed already. It's by sizes, and I need to wash these. These are all swaddles, blankets, and like little head pillows, and like the nursing pillow in here. So yeah, that's the plan. I have a lot of things, and just showing you guys how I turn a 1-bedroom into a whole family room. So I'll go ahead and show you guys right now. Alright guys, so it's actually been a couple weeks. Surprisingly or not, I've actually already delivered. So there is no more time. Well, there is, but not a baby inside. So I decided to go ahead and finish showing you guys how the room ended up, because the baby is here. I'll show you guys how we fit all of our things and a whole basically nursery inside of our one little room slash living area. So again, if you guys don't remember, but just a couple seconds ago in the beginning of the video, I shared how we have a living room set up and an office set up in our room. So let's go ahead and give you guys a full tour once more, but more in depth. So here we have this little frog that I got from the 99-cent store. This is actually only for Elias. This is for the baby. There we go. Only for his clothes. And then we have this here because they bring me food. Yes, if you want to know about why they bring me food, just ask. And then here we have a new father who's taking a nap. And then this is our bed set up with a whiteboard, and library. And here am I. Again, that's our entrance to the room, and those are just a bunch of things like that's a baby monitor, that's like pumping stuff and breast pads, all the good stuff that comes with babies, you know. Here's where the baby stuff starts. So we have this crib right here, and no, I do not lay my baby in this crib with all the stuff inside, but it makes it look cute. So here you go. Yes, that is for bathing, but my baby's too small. I just do cloth wiping down, and then we have this right here. So then welcome home baby balloons. That's gonna be like his little board with pictures of him and stuff. And that's our couch. So basically that's our living area. Sorry about that stain. My dog, because she tried to kidnap my dinner and landed on the couch. So yeah, for a better view, here's the baby area with our diaper bag. And then we are entering the office. So this is our office area. That's just like office supplies. These are a couple registry boxes that I haven't quite shared yet, but yeah, that's Walmart box number 2 with completely different things in the first one, and that one's a baby list box, which I haven't gone through as in like on camera. So this is baby station. So kind of baby station. He doesn't really get his own area because we always take over everything. But here are, and I make sure to label things because, you know, the husbands, if you tell them that drawer over there, the second one, the third one, they don't know. So here are breast pads, and these include like free samples, and these I bought at Ross. They were like 60 pairs were like $6. Here are my kind bags for breastfeeding, and these I should take to the restroom, and here are more bags. So yeah, I have used one last night because the baby took a formula bottle, which we got at the hospital. So he took one of these just to go to sleep because he kind of doesn't eat enough at night to stay asleep. So I give him one of these at night. So basically, again, our stuff. But this is his stuff. This is just a little area to quick dry. I'm gonna put that away inside of the Ziploc bag. But then we just have this empty bin. But here I have baby stuff, so pacifier clips, and then we have diapers here. We have wipes there, and then we just have breast pads, hand sanitizer, and we have the wipey slash diapers in there that I had shown you guys before. This whole drawer is filled with wipes. And then we have this drawer, which is little gloves, newborn socks, and more socks. And these little shoes that his little auntie got him. And we have baby hats, baby bibs. So this drawer is basically like a bunch of little accessories and bigger clothes. So by bigger clothes, I mean like 9 to like 12-month clothes, and a couple of little extras mixed in there from 3 to 6. And this is the main drawer we use because in here I have my little newborn shirts. These are literally all the newborn clothes I have, just right here. And then everything else starts to turn into like 3 months. And my baby's so skinny, so his legs are not going to fit in this, and his waist does not fit. So have to wait till he gains a little bit more weight. But this is newborns, 3 months, 6 months. So like 3 to 6. And also the pants go by the same size. So these are all like 3 months, and then these are more like 6 months and above. But we have one more baby drawer, and this baby drawer comes with a bunch of random things as well. So this one comes with a nursing pillow. We have the bed sheets, and we have a bunch of blankets. So we have been acquiring them, of course, from the hospital. This is from his Auntie Jenny. This one from his grandma. And then just a couple of baby shower gifts that we got afterwards, after the baby shower party or whatever. And so yeah, a bunch of blankets, some from the hospital, some from family members, and just a couple of stuffed animals. But it's a bunch of towels, wiping cloths, and stuffed animals. So that's pretty much it for this drawer. But other than that, the other things we have for baby are going to be, we have this bin that my sister gave me. At the same time, I haven't bought in the bag that goes inside, so I haven't used that yet. Here we have all of our diapers. So this goes quite deep. this is like size newborn to 1 and 2, and that's our Similac cooling bag that I got at the hospital. And then here, everything's kind of hidden and put away, but we're gonna start taking things out as we need them. Here are the bottles, and these are the bottles that come with the pump and other accessory or pieces to it. And then these are just all the free sample bottles. Everything in here I got for free. So literally all these bottles, all the pacifiers, I got everything for free. Even this, because my sister gave it to me for my registry. And I'm gonna have to sanitize a couple of these things so I can start using them. And here, this is for diapers and wipes. So these are an open pack of diapers. These are all free diapers, these are all free samples. And just one of the Costco brand wipes in there because they didn't fit. Or it didn't look nice down here. So if you guys wonder how you can get all your free items, just go ahead and watch my videos. I have a couple of them. So I also have 2 of these Pampers changing mats. I got these for free as well in my Target registry. And so here's just like random. It's literally labeled. So this one's labeled diapers and wipes, hygiene samples. These are called bottles and pacifiers. And we have down here, so shampoos and lotions, diapers, diaper creams, and random stuff. So random stuff is pretty much what it is. So I use these bottles for warm water to wipe down my little baby. We have little baby shoes, Terry ball that I bought, diaper rash creams, medicines, more lotions. I have a bunch of random things in here, but just, you know, baby stuff. And then just this. But yeah, I have shampoos, lotions, body washes, everything for the baby. But yes guys, so pretty much that's how I arranged this little room. Or like me and my husband arranged, but I pretty much did it. And then he just helped with like the crib and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna remember we went in that little slot earlier. I even put it in, but in here it's actually like all my pumping stuff. So I sanitized it and it's all in this Ziploc bag. And then here is my pump. So this one I did get it for free as well, with all the extras and accessories. So if you guys want to know how I got this for free, go ahead and just ask. Or I might just upload it, either way. I have a lot of little things for free, but this is a part of the pump like I said. This one's again, I'm doing this a couple hours later. This is a different set from the one that was here earlier. So yeah. Whew. But pretty much that's it for this room. So yeah, let me just give you guys one more look at it. But other than that, this is what our room, baby's nursery, living area / home office looks like. And yes guys, for in the future we are planning on getting our own place. So this is just something that we decided to do because for many reasons. That's why we decided to kind of like time our baby for him to be born at this time, even on these specific months. So yeah, I might even talk about that later on, about how or why we planned to have the baby at this point in time in our lives, even around this time of the year. And yeah, but thank you guys for watching. Again, this is Agari and me, with me being Agari and you guys being the me part. But thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for what's to come.